watch I ball. Oh, you lame. Look at my lane, he's switching lanes. Look at my nines, look at my blazers, look at my fours, caught with laser.
What's up, everybody? It's Sneakerhead M Checks. Here is part 2 of my Rolling Loud Kicks adventure. First of all, the event was crazy. I can show you guys better than I can tell you. So let me show you guys what happened and how everything turned out.
Yo, we out here. Yo, it is so lit out here.
So as you can see from the footage, there was a crazy amount of people attending the concert, and it was a real wild environment. They had a ton of these things called mosh pits, which I never had any experience with until now, but I held my own with no problem, don't worry.
And the things is everywhere.
When I tell you it was lit the entire time for all 3 days, I am not exaggerating. Daytime, nighttime, didn't matter. It was straight turn up the entire event. It's like all the people who were there didn't have a get tired feature. Y'all already know I was off the Red Bull. But anyway, let me show you guys the journey that my sneakers went on.
Look at my shit.
That's not bad, but
That's actually pretty good.
Yo, these look terrible.
It was creased like that already, or they just got like this?
No, it was already creased, but the dirt was not there.
I honestly thought it was gonna be worse. But like that isn't even raining.
Yeah, that's the thing. If it rains tomorrow, those black toes and Space Jams, or whichever one I wear, dunzo.
If it rains tomorrow, I'm gonna be at the house, so.
Day 2, and this is what we're wearing. This is the before picture. I'll show you the during and after, of course, but wish us luck.
We're out here. This is how we looking right about now. See how long this is. By this time, I had already been to the beach and walked around in the sand in my black toes, so they were already a little bit dirty, but Rolling Loud just made them worse. Let's see if I go deep in the crowd, this probably look crazy. So nobody told me Meek Mill was going to be performing at Rolling Loud. I wasn't prepared for it at all, but Meek's one of my favorite rappers, so as soon as I saw him on that stage, I rushed through that crowd and got towards the front. I got there and I got a nice view of the performance, but my black toes took the L being in the front of the crowd like that.
Switch it up and get you going. They ask me what I do and who I do it for. And how I come up with this shit. We got rolling down motherfucking
So we leaving the concert. Oh, yeah. This is what the end of day 2 looks like.
Yeah, it's not my fault.
I'm not reviving. I didn't even get there yet, and the rain already acting crazy. You already know it's about to be a muddy day. I'm walking in here day 3 with the Space Jams. So we're gonna see how these turn out. Hopefully not too bad. Just see how they looking right now. They looking good.
Half of us went.
But chances are by the end of the night, they're not gonna look like this. So we'll see. Wish me luck.
Y'all see how little it is out here.
How we looking down here?
I wore these yesterday too, and I haven't cleaned them.
2 days in a row, they don't look bad. 2 days in a row. These don't look bad yet.
I'm glad we all
want y'all to take a look at this clip right here from my Instagram story and just imagine what's happening to my Space Jams as I'm recording.
I'm about to make that pasta.
Yo, I cannot believe these look like this right now. This is crazy. Yeah, you too? This is crazy.
Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate everyone who takes the time out to watch my videos. Even though Rolling Loud completely bodied 3 pairs of my kicks, I still really enjoyed myself, and I'm def trying to go back, and I def recommend anybody else to pull up to the event in the future. Be on the lookout for part 3 of my Rolling Loud Kicks adventure, where I attempt to clean these 3 pairs that I just destroyed at the concert.
Yo! Hey, yo! Yo, you gonna get up? Yeah! Yo, the show's over, man. Time to wake up.
Yeah, the cops gonna get you.
Yeah, I'm trying to help you out.